Hi guys, it's Shell, Heart of It All Custom Creations. Welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Hit that subscribe button to see future videos. I post new videos every Wednesday and Saturday. So today we are going to do a fun sunflower tumbler using stickers I got from the Dollar Tree. So I'm starting with a 20-ounce stainless straight tumbler from the Stainless Depot, and I'm going to start by painting. I'm going to do the top part yellow and the bottom part black, and I am going to kind of ombre them into the middle together. So once I get this paint completely done, I'm going to let it sit to dry. Once that's dry, I'm going to use Saint Jude and Batman from Peachy Olive Glitters. I have a little bit of epoxy mixed up here, and I'm going to go ahead and put this all over the tumbler. The Saint Jude has this amazing shift in it especially once it gets down into the darker paint, and you'll see that, but it's almost got a green shift to it, which really plays off like the stems for the sunflowers. So I'm just going ahead and making sure that I get good coverage of the epoxy, and then I'm going to start glittering. I am going to start with my darkest, which is Batman, and make sure I get the bottom, and then pretty good coverage around the bottom part of it. And then once I get towards the middle where the yellow is, I do tilt my tumbler so that it will cascade down into the yellow. And it'll be a nice blending of the yellow and the black. And I am just tapping so that a little bit will come out at a time instead of just pouring out and end up making this a mess. And now that I'm happy with the Batman, I am going to go ahead and clean up my mess, pour the extra glitter back into the bottle, and then we'll move on to using Saint Jude. I am going to tap off my tumblers so that when I do put on the yellow, no black will get mixed with it. So I'm doing the same thing, starting at the top, making sure that I get good coverage, and I'm going to go tilt and tap the Saint Jude down into Batman. And as you can see, right where it's starting to get into the black, it has this really pretty green shift. Now that that's on there, I'm going to tap off any excess and let this dry. Once it was dry, I gave it 2 coats of epoxy and cleaned up the rim and have that little bit of exposed stainless steel. And then I got these stickers from Dollar Tree like forever ago, and they are a little textured. They're really, really nice. And I'm only using 1 pack. And I just thought this would make a really pretty addition to any tumbler, especially a sunflower tumbler. So I'm just going to place these randomly around the tumbler and see if it needs anything else after that, which, spoiler alert, it didn't, and I don't add any wording or nothing. Once I get this last flower put down, I do end up sealing this with the CCDIY clear coat. I don't think, or quick coat, I don't think it necessarily needed it, but I did it just so that none of it lifted. Gave it 2 final coats of epoxy, and this is done. And I really, really love how this turned out. I'm going to see if I can't find more of these stickers in different designs at the Dollar Tree. But I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a great big thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.